Record.
Are you recording it? You sure? Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. Sorry it's been a while. Just been like busy doing other things. So we're back and we're back on working on the Mondeo because it's decided to break down. It wouldn't start. So doing a bit of like diagnostic checking and stuff. So I found out that it's the starter motor. So Dad, you can come.
Oh yeah, I'm coming.
I got my dad to help me again, guys. So this is the new one. So we're going to fit this one in. It's a nice fresh one. It's nice being fresh, isn't it? It's like the shiniest part on the car. Isn't it? No?
Yeah. Well, no, yeah.
Yeah. So anyway, so we're going to replace that out. So we're going to show you how to do that. And then hopefully, fingers crossed, the car will live again. Because so far it keeps failing. So yeah, alternator's been done. We didn't do a video on that one because that was a bit of a late night in the car park area. Yeah. So we're gonna take this all out. Come.
Yeah, I'm coming. I'm coming.
So here's the old one down here. So we're gonna take this one out, and then hopefully, we need to replace the cable because the cable started melting as well on the earth point all the way down under here. It's melted somewhere, so we have to just put a new one in. So yeah, so I'm gonna have a swig of coffee and then we're gonna crack on with this one, I think.
Yeah,
So
by the time he's done this, he'll have a brand new car.
yeah, well, all the bits I've replaced on it so far, it would be a brand new car. But anyway, there we go. So I'll catch you guys in a minute. So guys, as you can see, we started, and you can see where it's damaged. Cable. Focus. See, it was melted. Yeah. Not good.
No, definitely not good.
No, is it, Dad?
No, it's a bit melted, isn't it?
A bit.
A bit. Politely.
Foobard.
Foobard.
That's the word.
Foobard.
So we've got a perfect place for this.
Bin.
So what next?
Well, I want to get to this starter motor now.
Yeah, we need 2 bolts. There's 2 bolts. One on top, one on the bottom.
Yeah.
Your goggles.
Yeah, 12. Where's your little ratchet then?
No, you want mid.
Oh, mid,
Yeah,
right?
I call it mid. Small, big.
Mid.
You know.
Yeah,
What are
trouble
you looking for
is,
now? It's there in your hand.
Yeah, that's going to be tight. Let me just try it with this.
If not, I can get my smaller hands in.
You know what they say about small hands, don't they?
What's that? What do they say about small hands?
Oh, I ain't going to say because you're on camera.
Well, I get my small hands from you then.
I doubt that, mate, because I can't even get in here.
I know what they say about big feet.
Oh, I need it.
Do you know what they say about big feet, Dad?
Yeah, you got a small wash on it, would you?
No, big personality.
Big personality, is it? Is that what they say, is it?
Yeah,
then?
so I got big feet matching my big personality.
You got penguin feet, I don't know about me.
Wow, okay, let's have a discussion now.
It's at an angle, so you can't get a bar in there, you can't get the socket on there, so you got to...
It can't be as bad as doing the Land Rover one. Ready, yeah.
Go.
Okay. Come
yeah.
over then.
Right,
Well, they're not going to see from here.
Well, yeah, I was going to zoom in as you go. Come on.
Let's put a bit of light on the subject here.
Come on. Look, you nearly need to be back here, right?
Right,
okay,
so now this cable we need to replace because it's boiled. It's like it's boiled up, and it's melted all the way, well, all the way up to there, really.
Yeah.
Can you see it?
Yeah, we can see that.
See?
Yeah.
Burnt and knackered and.
Yeah.
So plan is to get some of this, which is some of my old cable left over from my audio install. So we're going to use this as earthing. I think it'll be alright.
Yeah.
Let's see why it wouldn't be. So got some new ends.
Okay.
Some big boy ones. We're going to shove in there and we're going to crimp it with the vise because I don't have a crimping tool big enough for these ones.
That's because he didn't ask me. Yeah, go on.
No, you should have these tools with you all the time, 24 hours.
I didn't bring my Land Rover.
No, no. Anyway, yeah, so we're going to cut this off and put that in there and then hopefully just crimp it and then heat shrink it. And then, yeah, it should be a good little earth cable. That goes in there, yeah.
See how quick that was?
Well, that was quick.
You took ages.
No, I did
just
not.
done that within about 3 minutes.
No,
if that.
that's because you were saying, oh, I should do it this way, I should do it that way. Right, can't I? Crimp it then.
There you go.
So, my new earth cable. So, now we're going to bolt that on. And then hopefully, from the old
There you go.
to the new.
From the old to the new.
Right. Out of the old, in with the new. Right, now we're going to bolt that in.
Yep.
Alright, so we'll be back in a minute then.
Yep.
Because that's a bit of a pain to get from through there and then underneath and then bolt it in. So,
Yeah.
we'll be back like in 2, 3, on a couple of minutes.
Yeah.
Half an hour, hour,
No, go on.
cup of tea, coffee.
Well, hopefully, yeah. If the
Right.
women get on with it.
Okay, no
Right.
worries. So,
Really
It's
nice,
in.
I like that.
bolted in, that's all bolted in, all plugged in, hopefully now. We haven't forgotten anything, have we?
No.
Wow, that's a big ass head. Anyway, this is in, so this is our new earth cable. So it's quite a nice, neat job, actually. Not bad. It's in.
Do we need to replace this one? Because you said this one started getting hot as well.
No, I don't think so.
Right, okay.
I couldn't see anything melted, so it was all
Right,
good.
okay. Battery's all good, that's all tightened up. This is our new earth cable. Start her up. Sorry guys, my cup's in the way, I'm getting a cup of coffee here, a cup of tea. Oh look, ooh, pretty lights.
Perfect!
Here's a good job daddy's here, isn't it? You like that?
That just
Yeah.
flew over.
Yeah.
Oh, just literally just turned it up alive.
Oh, you're so happy, isn't
I'm
you?
so chuffed. It's alive!
Right guys, that's so simple. He's just gonna have a
There you
sweet
go.
coffee.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Job done. So guys, so as you can see, it is finally in. Yeah, big difference. It just starts instantly. massive difference. So happy with that. Now the Mondeo is back on the road, so yeah, now I can start, you know, chopping Aldi's and stuff like that. Probably break down again, something. But so if you guys like this little video and things like that, so yeah, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, because it does help the channel grow and stuff like that. So yeah, so hopefully you guys see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.